Hey everyone, this is Hanky Punk, and this is a tutorial on how to use the snow scene expansion for the Apocalypse background farm scene. This Apocalypse background is available in the Renderosity marketplace, and this expansion is free in my free stuff. However, if you don't have the Apocalypse backgrounds, it will be kind of difficult to use because it looks a little funny, as you can see. To use this, you're going to want to first select your background layer over here on the right, and you're going to want to copy this. To copy this, you want to do Command A or Control A, depending on if you're on a Mac or a PC, and Control C or Command C. This will copy. You can also go up to Edit and copy right here. Hotkeys are a little bit easier, so we'll be using those through this. You want to make sure that you have your background layer selected on the main Apocalypse background scene. So I've got it selected, and I'm going to press Control V on my keyboard. This will import this background exactly where it needs to be, and I recommend turning off the sunlight glare and this yellow hue right here for right now. It'll make this a little bit easier. So we've got this pasted in there. Now go back to the other background, click on your next layer, and we're going to Control A and Control C again, and Control V to paste it. And we're just going to move this over here. It doesn't have to be perfect for right now because you'll want to move some stuff around afterward. Next, you're going to want to take this layer, which is sky, and it says screen right here, and I'll go over that in a second. So Control A, Control C, come over here, and you're going to want to paste it again. As you can see, we've got layer 1, 2, and 3. You can name these later if you'd like to. For right now, we'll just keep them as they are. And you're going to want to turn this layer to screen in your layer properties, and that's right up here on this layers panel. And you're going to want to change your opacity to 85. And this will give that hazy, wintry look to it. And go back over here. And these last two layers are snow, so you can Control A, Control C on this one, and you're going to want to put these in front. So you're going to want to click on your grass front layer and Control V and paste it right there. Now, there's not a lot of snow on this, just to keep the file size down, so if you want to make copies of this snow and merge them down, make a whole bunch of snow, you can go ahead and do that, knock yourself out. To copy it, just drag it onto this new layer button and it'll copy it, and you can just move it, and Control E or Command E merges that down. So now we have a whole lot of snow, so I'm going to go ahead and hide that. And I'm going to grab my last layer of snow and throw that on here. These are big snowflakes. These are really good for depth, so that it looks, it just gives a little bit more of a dimension to your image. Next up, you want to click on your grass front layer and not double click like I did. So you just want to click on this, and you're going to want to hit Control or Command I. This is going to invert your grass to make it white. And again, you want to do that for this layer as well. So now we have a completely white scene. You can turn off some of, if you want to turn off your mist layer, add some more mist. You can pretty much do whatever your heart's content. And you can also turn this layer back on, and you can go to Hue and Saturation, which is Control U or Command U, and hit this Colorize button. And what this is going to do is it's going to turn this layer into just sort of like a really, really soft filter. So you can move this around, make your scene a little bit more blue, purple, whichever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to make it blue. And over here somewhere I have a snowman already rendered so that I can use him as an example, and I want to stick him right here in this grass. I'll actually move him back a little bit. No, I don't want to do that. Let's move him right here. So this is how you work the expansion. I hope you enjoy. Thanks.